It's an academy. It's an idejo no nan.
Glad
Welcome.
to see you.
Welcome, ma.
Well done. Yeah, God bless you.
And you too.
Um, eventually, home. Akonye wetala, ewe solia.
Yes,
There is something you said, and when you gave this name, Ikoro, Adaka, Adaka Kuli Kuli, Ezenago,
as an ago.
and that name, when you gave this name, you saw the future. You understand before the past. Are you understanding me?
100%. 100%.
Ezenago, o nwere something he played. On made that video as if it's a comedy, but she was crying actually.
Bitterly.
Now, Mazi Simon,
Uh, yeah.
but she was doing it as if she was laughing. But when you listen to it very well, to the voice, you put that honor in the pain.
I'm telling you.
She is crying. Her bone was crushed with anguish and pain.
Ima kwa wayo of ma.
So, and again, oge ọ nọ na-ebe akwa ime obi a, ọ na-asị mmesisia unu ife. But amara m ka ofu onye ga-esi mee ọra ife. But I thank God, ịma na asị a na-eji nwatakịrị na ọgwụ egbula egbu, oche na ọgwụ a na-atọka.
Yes, sir.
Initially, when I put a chain on this lady's waist, na-adọ ya ka ịlagnya, ọkịmotu esi adọ ụlagamụ na-adọ ya na chain. Not knowing ihe ahụ na-enu ya enu n'obi, ịghọtago o ji si na mmesisi ahụ na ife bụ ife ndị a niile a ọ gbuo iwe ya, which shows ife ọ na-asị ọbata opie ọ na-egbugbele m ọnụ ka ọ nọrọ inside the heart.
True.
O usually wee na-confuse ndị ọ na-confuse wee na-event ha anger. O mechesi ọ bụgodoro n'ọsọ iti mkpu a etinye n'afịa n'iti mkpu o wee cheche ife ọ ga-eme o wee sị okay, I'm gonna destroy, I'm gonna scatter, I'm gonna break, I'm gonna gbangwa everything so that I can build my own empire. And that was what she did. Adadi Oramma. My virus is better than Adadi Oramma because they were antivirus to destroy virus. But Adadi Oramma was a virus that could be studied in the future. Like Otua COVID this year. Adadi Oramma is worse than a virus. Because you know about a virus, the virus or about that will destroy that thing beyond repair.
Yeah. True.
Now, what's the Naya Chotagi Fayanacho? No, be a digi and my name Metego Ifanacho because of Brigade 1 and 2 and Brigade 10. This same Adadio Rama, I think you gave Maka the people that is following this Adandiocho. If you put a leaf and nebo, Biafra disunite, a mekwa chata, a megwa chata.
Yeah.
Chata will enthrone, and chata will dethrone. Ọbụkwa nwanne m nwoke jere iku nwa amama ọsọ na ọya dismember again. O dismember. Jere iku nwa amama nọkwa n'ebere ka mara ihe dismember bụ na ejiri egwu ebe that is idiri anụ mmadụ kpọka ya into pieces. O wee jide ha dismember ha kwụpụ ha isi kwụpụ ha aka kwụpụcha ha ebe niile. So it's left for you to go look for where the hand is, the leg is, the hand, then you wait cut it on. But when you people, Imam Madabu was enthroning with the Biafra this Unite Charter, you people didn't know that a day like this will come. You people just want to destroy. Who will leave people? And I begin to see some reason in it. Listen, Ikenga Oruago is better than these people. Ikenga Oruago is better than Adam
Yes.
Better than the rich woman, mama.
It's true.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Now, that's the thing, and I want to ask you people, this stuff, is there anything you people are discussing the important about money? Is there any other thing to move this struggle forward? Like if you only put them on the table or things that are happening or things it might go to like a guy like Unuje with the Igoramus as a lobbyist. So we even lobby rule on the movement of this struggle line on India. The only thing you people is after, because I have checked it, I have assessed it, it's about money. Money, money, money.
Nothing again. That's all.
And with it full stop. And with it full to do enwere another thing anya mara ọkọ this morning bụ nọ ya nwa this morning bụ the struggle. Kaiman name, do you know what surprised me? That when Imam mmadụ abụ oke mbewu ọ sị that the money that was realized na ihe a ga-eji wee portion ọ bụ ya ihe a ga-eji wee mee bụ agriculture. Amamenụkwara nke ahụ.
Mba, ịma na enweghị m access to that their fundraising and anything. I don't even.
No, agriculture. That's where they start having another conflict. Who knows that they raise ego for angels, right? The president to agriculture. I don't know the kind of people. Yeah, I said, wrong way good. Man, people will be on the last day, because OBS, you are the spanner and the tool that is screwing other virus to do what she is doing. That I want to ask that virus a question. Okay, now, the use brig company registered in his name. Oge nkere previous they use na emblem they use na anything banyere ihe bụ oge nkere company ya start. Then I want to ask you, and also ụlọ ụka ọ na-afọ n'anya that he going to sue you people. Then I begin to ask myself a question. Oge nkere, how do you get at Biafra Unite to see Biafra Unite? Is Biafra Unite a human being or a spirit? Canadian Gasa be a lawsuit. Maka ụmụ bụ ndị na-eso Biafra Unite na ya nwa pụtazi ya nwa na-echi education ya nwa bụzi ịmago analysis ya o wepụta analysis ya ọ na-agbakọjuo na-eso kedu onye a ga-esu? I just want to know. Then ọ bụrụ na o su the religious, kedu ebe ị ga-enweta religious wee sa abụọ ya akwụkwọ? So maybe these people was ada virus and a vagabond. So to tell you that what you people are doing is illegitimate. All you are doing is just to raise money and to eat money. And then you're now, the hell of break out, break away, destroy. Now, it's a normal for web and autopilot, which is doing will be after this unite. Now, why do you open a telegram again? And then you're another one, another account, telegram. This account people of timber and calibers. Yeah, and they gonna ego banitela banite. That you should not be in this. And at the end of you fully said now, now you are happy. Order. Order. Na ife banyere ego na ego ga na-adị nta because na ọbụla na-asụ banyere na ọma nna dị otu ọ na-adị mgbe si na aka nwanne m alechara gị anya wee gụọ ya eze na-agụ. This is a place you want to be. And I want to ask you, obi eze dị ọsị gị ada esi ya ada dị ọra mma esi ya ya ọsị gị ada eze esi ya ọsị gị ada gburugburu esi ya ada alụlụ a na-esi ya n'ọgụnwa ọdụ na-etu gị esi ya n'ọmụnwa esi ya nna aba anyị ada onye otu esi ya eyi ọmụnwa ọ na-etu gị ịna-ego ka bred n'elu ebe ị nọ. So you love something good. So you love praises.
Well.
So I energize it. So on
well.
So it's the food of your spirit. You like it. It's a question I ask you. Then why do you damage another person's home? In the evil. evil and Aruwan can find you immediately. Okay, Kere. Aruwan again can't. But if only the way you deal with it. I say, who's in the Pukwahit in the Manajina, you will never have peace. Okay, you will never have peace. As many as you are that started this, eyes all forward with the Buddha and backwards. When I am with peace.
My
brother, there is something you said and it makes sense. It's it. How did you get it out where boss or where Makani can the Western Kaiwan and Kedeba Hagawaga?
How your USB? They should Haga I'm I don't come serious even because if all we folk say if you share those things, you find out that these guys, man, COS and USB government, they are very very sound. Man, I need some of the people, some of them go to school. I'm not if hand them, but just that I don't know and they make fire. And when God, like I said, when God want to punish Oyarolo and honor have but God will allow you to appear in a bigger stage before.
So
they should go and beg USB government. You understand?
Oh yeah, USB okay, so when on
No, not for them to come, for them to help them as a citizen of Biafra. Not for them to join in anything. Because the war Genkere is going, no Genkere will naked them.
Sorry, now. No, my prayer and our prayer, everybody's prayer is working. You understand?
Yeah.
We are on our knees. We are crying to God for God to expose them for what they did. So that exposition will be coming more and more. And that exposition will help us to understand things better. You know? So, we have a higher waga. Let Ogenkere expose them the more. That's all I want, is that exposition.
Ogenkere is not going to expose them just for exposition's sake. Ogenkere is about to nail them. Like Gawaga man them and another man because why about that now? How you share so too much. If you know some of these things that we see that some of us believe that Ogenkere is the one that committing this thing, Ogenkere. Do you know that most of those things are being committed by those people that you are seeing now with Imam Madab? They are the one from both known and unknown faces, like Azubike, like all of them. They are participated in those nonsense that is going on now. Eunice PB and Kiru, those ones are just hired agents. Urgekere hardly brought them. That is my own belief because these are DOS.
Do you know they are having squabbles?
Obido.
Yes.
Division. A big food division. But I can wait three people as a group. You go see them now.
Yes.
I bet I can get away three people. They will split, not one, not two. They will split to the extent that some of them will be having midnight call, like MTN midnight call in Nigeria. So they will do that. They will divide like egg.
Azubike, don't hurt anybody that his or her hand is clean, equity and justice. You understand?
Yeah. Exactly.
Because we 100%. This Azubike was like somebody PM respected. Do you know Azubike lied against Dr. Ngozo Oradeze? Because when they want to start this charter, put me in, charter, put me out, Azubike said, which Adadio Ramas capitalize that COS no yego. You understand me? Because they want to use it to cover the arrow by giving them money. But when COS gave you Azubike money, that was in when you people were in Finland. COS just appreciate you people. Say, hey, Unanswered, lunch. Use it. Azubike, that was what COS did. in that Finland, or when you will send the Aragego each or with teller.
Hold on, please don't be offended, my sister. Azubike, is he the one that claimed that the US wanted to bribe him?
Yes.
I thought the one the one that said that he lives in Europe.
I'm side. I'm on a jam. I'm on a because what Azubike can have when it's not CS to a bribe.
Is he the one in charge of website?
Oh,
no. That's what I'm talking about. Is one in charge of website.
Okay, no.
That's what I'm talking about.
The other one.
Oye nke naturally bribe. Oye nke abụ. Oye nke adị me waste time. Ama m ụdị mmadụ abụọ ndị ọ na-abịa echiela ka ụta pụta ndị ọga like ụmụ odibo a na-abụ ọga fana ya na-agba mbọ n'ime ka abụrụ mmadụ apụta na-aga akọchọga ha n'azụ. Hapụ onye enweghị nke abụghị mmadụ. Ndị okenye na-eme ama na-enye na-awa pampas ọbara uru. Ka anyị kwokwu n'ụbara uru. Iberibe ọjọọ.
That's what I want to say. Because I am using this platform. You will hear this voice in Kai's platform. About COS, Aselono Polako, Adagongoro Pologe, Sigena Ngozi, Bohalematu, Nomaho Bodosi Webia, Naes and Awata Web from Bono State, where Kunatia, or where adopt or a name, this other. And if you go more further, if you any film again, your own family background, yeah, I get what on social media, in a little sad.
Okay.
When you are living in a glass house, polo store, I warn you, this thing you pull now, Abanez you is a different thing. That this thing again, Adolo, is just a propaganda. I want you to put a name to this. Enough is enough. Try again. As some definitely in the public, in photos, this is a warning. I don't know. I call you again by your name. Where is your husband? How is their marriage? How is their children? What is your name? I don't know who is not your name. Who is your father? How long have you been here? How long have you gone to Nigeria? This thing I'm not joking now. And it's a question you need to answer because I get away to tell your family history. Because what you said about Ngozo Rabeze, that's what is getting me angry now. What you said about Ngozo Rabeze is very, very, very big lie. When he denounced some mother and paternity, it's just that Ngozi is a quiet person. He may have to I will sue you to that is Mama Yen them will sue you. Then you come and prove it. Because maybe one person set that example, other people will sit down. But I know Ngozo Rabeze don't want to be Ocha how he lose focus.
I found a one-on-one without the Biafra movement. Okay, cool. I go.
America. Chicago even can akọgadi n'aka mgbọlọdị n'aka onugbu na-elesa ndị mmadụ. So ị ka na-akọ mgbọlọdị n'aka onugbu na-enye chinchin na-enye pọpọp wee na-eresa ndị enyi a na-eresa agadi nwaanyị dị ka ịdị nwa. Kedu mgbe ị nara Nigeria last? It's a citizen of America. Now look at you people. I want to ask you, Adolo, everybody in a claim citizenship America, a claim citizenship Canada. Why? Even you are that virus.